What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're working on my 95 Civic Sedan. All right, we're gonna be doing some more work towards the K-swap and getting the engine prepped and ready. So for today, we're gonna be putting new gaskets on a lot of stuff, not everything. I'm not doing the head, not doing the oil pan right now, but I'm gonna be doing the intake, the exhaust, the water pump, there's this one part, I don't really remember the name of it right now, but it's called like a bottleneck or something like that. But this right here, gonna put in the gasket onto this thing right here. Intake, water, and exhaust all the way over there. And the valve cover as well, we're gonna be getting that on. So the kit I went with for this is eBay one. All right, saved a little bit of extra money. Got this evergreen, made in Taiwan quality, OEM standard apparently gasket here, and it has came with Smart TV, so that's pretty cool. Got a whole bunch of gaskets in here, even some gaskets I don't know where they go, but mainly this one. That's the oil pan rear main seal. I'll be doing that when I put the clutch in. The flywheel came in the mail the other day, don't have the clutch yet, and then there's a head gasket. This engine is staying stock for now, so it's just a 160 something horsepower K series engine. You know, this isn't pushing crazy power, it's not getting boosted, nothing insane right now. The engine that was in this car was like 120-ish maybe horsepower, so it's still a big gain for this car, and it's still gonna be fun to drive when it's all said and done. So we're gonna be getting after that, getting this ready, prepped, and all set to go. I have to still wait for a few parts to get here. I got the engine, the CRV engine mount on right now, so it's not really on all the way, but it's on there for now. I still gotta get these pieces welded on for the radiator, and so we're gonna bang through that. And then I also got a Chase BAYS power steering delete kit. So all it does is it connects here, and then you just mount the Chase BAYS reservoir over there, so you can keep the power steering rack and not switch to a manual rack, and your rack doesn't seize up. So that's what we're gonna do today. So I'm about to start getting after it and get into it, so let's do it. All right guys, so here's the Chase BAYS delete kit. All right, comes with this very clean all black Chase BAYS cap reservoir. The sticker, they give you like 2 stickers, so I put one on them because I thought it looked dope. Not crazy heavy. It's really nice, very clean. What else is on it? 2 lines right there. Nice braided lines. Black tuck too. And then a little mounting bracket. Take it out of this wrapper here. Boom. Now this is super light. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna mount it yet, but I'm gonna keep you guys updated when I figure that out. I don't think it actually came with hardware to mount it though, so, or maybe there's a specific spot where it sits so you don't need hardware. I don't really know. I'm gonna look at the website and see what the website says, but I'm gonna do this first because there's a couple of things that I am missing from the gasket set, and I gotta blow all the rocks and stuff out of these intake manifolds and that little adapter there, or the spacer. Before I can do that, I need to get a VTEC solenoid gasket still. I gotta clean off some of this stuff, so I'm gonna do the power steering first and then work my way to that. Sound good? All right, I'm doing it anyway. All right guys, so here's the 2 lines you're going to be connecting to. I have to get something to cap this one, but you're going to use one or both of these holes if you can. I can only use one because I think it's just because of the model of my Civic. But so you're going to take these 2 torque heads off, I believe. Yeah, T30 is the torque bit you're going to need to take those off, and you're going to attach it like that, and then the hoses are going to run underneath that, and then it's going to sit in there with some of those pre-existing hoses already. So just take some 10s that you had left over from when you took out the power steering stuff, and then you're just going to slide that in there. So I'm going to do that and bolt it in and see how it looks. Or actually, I'm gonna run these bottom lines first to see where it actually, you know, has to go naturally. So I'm gonna give that a try. Alright guys, what is going on? So I have it installed, and there's some things you need to know. So if you have the 1995 Honda Civic EX, my sedan, it has 3 holes. 1, 2, and 3. You're gonna plug one into the top one into the lower one. This one we're gonna cap with a, I have it right here, a M12 by 1.0, not a M12 times 1.5, and we plug that one there. What you're also going to have to do is, one line is longer. The one, in my case, the one with the yellow tab that says Chase BAYS is longer than this inner one. So you're going to have to switch the AN fittings that plug into the power steering rack. So the one that was originally on this line is on this, and the one that was originally on this line is on this one. And that way you can fit them. And then it bolts in right back there. There. 110 mil. Pretty solid. Looks good. Looks clean. Really nice top there. So that's all for right now. Really simple to install. It just took me a little Googling to figure out. But it looks really clean. It's definitely going to help out a lot. I just got to get that fitting. But I'm going to do the gaskets soon. I don't know if I'm going to do them today or go to the store tomorrow, get what I need, and then come back tomorrow and finish this up. But for right now, the power steering's in. It looks good. Looks clean. Chase BAYS looking good over here.